Diving into the world of metaphors, master the art of figurative language. Hello, language learners. Welcome to another exciting journey into the depths of the English language. Today, we'll be focusing on an indispensable part of creative writing, metaphors. So, buckle up and get ready to immerse yourself in the fascinating world of figurative language. A metaphor is a figure of speech that makes a comparison between two things that are basically dissimilar, but share a common feature. Unlike similes, metaphors do not use like or as. Instead, they state that one thing is another, painting a more vivid picture and invoking stronger emotions. For instance, consider the sentence, "Life is a journey." Here, life, which is not literally a journey, is being compared to one to emphasize its nature of having ups and downs, beginnings and endings. Now that we've defined metaphors, let's explore why we use them. Metaphors are a powerful tool in language, serving several purposes. 1. Enhancing understanding. By comparing unfamiliar concepts to familiar ones, metaphors can help us understand complex ideas better. Consider the metaphor, "Time is a thief." This gives us an instant and profound understanding of the fleeting nature of time. 2. Creating imagery. Metaphors can paint vivid pictures in our minds. Take the sentence, "Her words were bullets, fired to hurt." You can almost visualize the words being shot, can't you? 3. Expressing emotions. Metaphors are excellent at conveying deep, subtle, or complex emotions. When we say, "He has a heart of stone," we express the person's lack of empathy or emotion. Although we won't dive too deep into this today, it's worth mentioning that there are various types of metaphors. 1. Direct metaphors. These make a direct comparison between two things. Example, "She is a shining star." 2. Implied metaphors. These suggest a comparison without stating it directly. Example, "He barked his command." 3. Extended metaphors. These continue the metaphorical comparison throughout a piece of writing. Example, "The world is a stage, and all the men and women merely players." 4. Mixed metaphors. These combine two or more unrelated metaphors. Example, "She's fishing in troubled waters." Remember, practice is key when mastering metaphors. And there we have it. We've explored what metaphors are, why they are used, and even touched upon their various types. As you continue your language learning journey, don't forget to practice using metaphors in your daily conversations and writings. They're not just for poets and authors. Metaphors can add spice to our everyday language too. We hope this video has been enlightening, and as always, keep learning and keep exploring the magic of language. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.